Alright everyone, so today we have yet another unboxing of some more awesome items, again from Justin. So a huge thank you to Justin, again, for all of this stuff in this box. Now this is actually going to be a two-part, obviously this video will be put together, but there's actually two packages for this set of items. This is the first one, it came in first, and the second one is actually going to come in a few days later. And so one of the main items is actually coming in a couple days. So we'll go ahead and open this box, and then right afterwards you guys will see the other item. So let's go ahead and get right on into this. I just realized using the duct tape to cover the name on here was actually probably a really terrible idea because I just made more work for myself. Some stuff showing on this side. But yeah, I use duct tape to cover the name because, you know, that's what you do. Ugh. Okay, here we go. There we go. And of course, we have a note on top. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, kind of. So I had two Christmases, and then don't worry, thanks Justin, we can also do some experiments with this piece of paper as well. Kind of Christmas. So first, we've got some comics. I'm just kidding. You know, it's all crap. Alright, let's see. Oh, what's this? How's this for horrible packing skills? Well, it's something alright. Nice thing of taped paper. So first we've got this, which by the way, a lot of this stuff is just going to be random parts because if you guys don't know me by now, I like to take random parts like this and they're very useful for other things. So here we just have this little couple, I think this came out of an indicator. The bulbs would sit on top and bottom. So like I said, a lot of this stuff is just parts, which will be super useful for making things. Ah, the parts bit bag. Oh wow, there's actually a lot of stuff there's a lot of interesting things in there. We'll get to that in a second. We'll just put that on the side. But yeah, I see some interesting items in there, so that'll be fun too. This thing here, this is yet another part. This is I think from an exit sign. So we can do with that. Let's see here. We got some, what else we got in this? What else is it? Oh, cool. Yeah, I remember this. In case of fire, use stairway. It's really crusty though, so I'll have to clean it up. But that's pretty cool. That is awesome. Let's see what else. What's this? Some screws. Alright. Oh wait, actually, I know what this is for. I don't think these are just any random screws. I think I know what this is for. Let's see here. Oh yeah, I know what this is. So this is the escalator. It's like all falling apart, but oh well, that's weird. But this is the escalator, Westinghouse escalator control here. It has a key, which I don't know what key it takes, so hopefully I can get that. And it also, I'll need to make something to make it work. But this is the escalator stop switch from a Westinghouse escalator. If any of you know me well, I love Westinghouse stuff, so that's kind of cool. It's missing the button, but it's got the guts, though, at least. It's got the guts. I'll just have to figure out how it... Oh, wait, no, it's complete, I think. I don't know, I'll have to figure out how this goes together. This is cool. Let's see, what else? What is this? Oh, cool. This is the L series. Yeah, so it's missing the top, but it's an L series button here. Oh, that just came out. I guess, I don't know if that's supposed to happen or not, but it's an L series button, half of an L series. Actually, it's a total L series, it's just missing the top little cover. So that's super cool. And I'm thinking 3D printing a plate for this. Let's see. What's this? Paper. Oh. Oh, it's this. Yeah, this thing. So this is part of the other item that we're going to be getting on in a couple days, and I think that's what these screws are for. It's for this. So this is part of the other item we're getting. one of the circuit boards for it. Alright, let's see. I don't remember what this is. Oh, whoa, wait, yes I do. Oh, wow, look at this. Fire alarm. Oh, wow, that's cool. Wheelock fire alarm. That's cool. So we have a fire alarm, we have a pulse station, and an actual alarm now, so that's awesome. And I think I know what this is. So this is part of an Hot and L series, and it looks like the corner broke. Did it break in shipping, or is it just broken already? I'll have to ask. But you can see there's the button in the back. And the plate should be in the bottom. Oh yeah, here it is. Oh wow. Oh, that is one big plate. Wow, wow. So this sits... I think it sits right there. There's a missing piece to it though. But I mean, it's a Hot and triangle. Yeah, I'll have to figure out how this goes together here. Yeah, this is gonna be a little project. A lot of this stuff is just older stuff that needs to be fixed. And what's this? Oh, the phone. Okay. He said he was sending this. Look, it's a... Uh-oh. Oh, I thought the button broke for a second. Did the button break? The button, like, popped out. There it goes. I think the button's broken on it. Yeah, there it goes. Emergency phone. So we have a phone now. It's my first phone, so... And a random wire. Alright, so that is everything in the box. So again, Justin, huge thank you to all this stuff. I know a lot of the stuff's like just either like some of it's missing or it's, you know, broken, but I mean, you know me, I'll fix a lot. I'm going to try to get all this stuff working. So now let's go through this little baggie, because this is cool. Okay. So a hole just got poked in it. A bunch of stuff just fell out of it. I'm pretty sure, so he said he was just putting a bunch of random stuff in it. So let's see what we have. Thing from an Otis. What's this? Some elevator button base. Another base. Some little thing for a key switch. Random nuts and metal pieces. Literally just a twist tie. Lots of just very useful parts. I mean, like stuff like this. I mean, I can just use these for just random projects. I don't know about that so much. Good divider right there. Oh wow, look, a base for a Dover button. Lamp. Oh, it's a contact. It looks like a fire alarm. Looks like from a fire alarm. Some little plastic thing. Oh, there's a little plate in here. Look at this. There's a little plate. That's cool. We got a wire. Oh, a spring. That's useful. It's all stuck here. Part of a key switch. Spring. More metal parts. Some random key. What's this key for? Resistors. Just in general, a bunch of very, very, very random parts. But very useful as well. So, alright, well, so that's the first package here. So here in a couple days, I'm going to get the other one. So let's go ahead and see what's in the other package. Alright guys, so it's about 2 days later, and we got the other piece to this thing. The main piece. And also, one thing that I was an idiot, so remember this thingy? Yeah, there was something inside of it. There's this like floppy piece of wire that goes with the button. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what's inside. Wow.
Nerd. Why are you guys watching this dude?
There's some weird person on my phone right now. My phone's been hacked. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, he taped this. You taped this, like, annoyingly, but hey, it held up, right? Alright. Cut it again. Alright, guys, so here it is. Oh no. The note. So this here is the Electrodyne button. Wait, it doesn't press at all. It clicks a little bit. But there it is. Look at this. It's true though. But yeah, so I went ahead and put all the other stuff away, so a huge thank you to this person right there
Nerd.
on the screen who's upside down. Thank you for all the cool stuff.
You're welcome.
Alright, that'll be it.